Here are the top 5 toilet cleaning products that you need. I'm going to speed clean this toilet as we go. Always start with the inside of the toilet bowl. I like to use Scum Bum inside the toilet because it works on lime, mineral deposits, and scale. Plus, it's biodegradable, it's safe for your septic systems, and it even cleans your pipes as it goes down the drain. Grab your toilet bowl brush and go all the way around and under the rim. Sometimes you'll get one of those gray water rings that doesn't come off with just a brush, so then you're going to grab your toilet bowl pumice stick and make sure you use that pumice stick while it's wet. It won't damage the porcelain as long as it's wet. Now we're going to work with red juice for the rest of the clean. Don't be tempted to close everything up and start spraying. We're going to do this methodically. Start spraying from the position the toilet is in right now. So spray the rim, hinges, and bottom of the seat. Then lower the seat and spray the top of the seat and the bottom of the lid. Close the lid and spray the top of the lid and behind the seat. You're going to work your way up to the top of the toilet. Now this is important. We're going to work our way from top to bottom, going in the reverse order that we sprayed. When you get to the knobs and hinges, pull out your toilet color-coded toothbrush and get around those crevices and tight spaces. I know some people like to wipe with a paper towel on a toilet, but I like to use reusable cotton cloths because I can sanitize them with hot water and bleach. When your cloth is too dirty to use, you fold it the other way to reveal the clean side. Keep working your way down, refolding your cloth as needed, and don't forget to get the outside of the bowl all the way down to the floor. These are all the toilet cleaning products that you need to speed clean a toilet.